I. The main purpose of this webcast is to explain how to start a sustainable EDU project. These kind of projects include sustainability, technology, and education. And is the main activity of the foundation and the main activity of Sustainable EDU program, which is the operational and conceptual framework of the foundation and the main focus of our work. A Sustainable EDU project is a comprehensive solution that makes possible to implement a program to make accessible the benefits of information communication, scientific and artistic and social technologies in education, and based on that to achieve or to impact in other parts of the society, like the economy or e-government, whatever. Then this is a comprehensive plan, a comprehensive concept, what make much easy to develop a policy or a program like that. What is the Sustainable EDU project concept? Mainly, the project aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals concept, which includes 3 dimensions: an environmental dimension, an economical dimension, and a social dimension, and we include a 4th dimension, the educational dimension. Then a Sustainable EDU project is a project which is based in technology and education, but try to be a change maker in all different areas of the society. For other side, it is the concept of Sustainable EDU project. It's included in this concept. The idea that education is the basis of changement, but it needs to mobilize all the other sectors of the society. And this is the main concept of this idea. Other important aspect to describe and to explain how to start a Sustainable EDU project is the project cycle. And our option was to include 3 steps. The first step is the assessment, the clarification, the discussion all around the project and how the project fits to a specific place or a specific sector. Every project should be clear in what is its relation with a specific situation. The second step is the MOU and the agreement, where everything we define and plan is well clarified and well planned, to be sure then we can at least to have a guideline for the implementation. And the third and the last part is the implementation, which include also evaluation of the project. This is the project cycle in general terms. A very important pillar of the Sustainable EDU project is the agreement. The agreement is the main document, is more than an agreement, is in reality a constitution for the project, is a support to decide on many aspects of the project. Then we invest a lot of time to use case studies to develop the agreement of a Sustainable EDU project. And it takes a lot of time to develop that, then it can be used by any project. And we create 5 different areas. The general, we cover the main definitions and the main concepts of the project. The second is the core actions. We call the core actions if we develop an initiative for coding or for entrepreneurship or whatever initiative we need to support a specific project. We call it the core actions. We have some of them already identified. The other aspect is the financials of the project, where we cover all the budgets of the implementation and the project itself, or the management of the project. Then all financials related to the project are included. The other component of the agreement is the management, which include management structures, management principles, and all the areas related to the management of the project. And the last part covers the benchmarks, how we evaluate, how we present the results of the project. Then the agreement is in reality the main aspect of this project and one of the biggest delivers of the foundation to support any project like this. If we consider the agreement as a good guideline to implement a project, on the implementation of a sustainable EDU project, we create a workshop, we create an initiative. It's more than a workshop to help how to implement and how to use the agreement for the implementation of a sustainable EDU project. And on this initiative, we divide the work in three different moments. The first is the assessment. We call it the startup moment, where we assess what is the situation and how we can work with the local team, the people who really know, decision makers, or people who go to implement the project, to define what is the best project for that reality in that time. The second is a real workshop. It can be one workshop or more than one workshop, which will be the accelerator, where we can even bring other people, special people for specific aspects of the project and to help, or other institutions. And the last part is the co-work. It's like to work with the local team and to develop with them or bring to them, share experiences, share knowledge, and to help them to define their own plan. Because in the end of the day, the local team is the responsible, is the leader of the project. Our work is to support these teams to develop the projects. And then we create this initiative for the implementation. We can start before the project even start until the evaluation moment. And this is a very important deliver of our work, and is the core of our work to support the development of the projects. Well, I think this presentation gives you an overview what is a sustainable EDU project and exactly how to start one. But it is a short presentation. Then I suggest you go to the webpage of the projects, and we will include more and more information and links to help you. And don't hesitate to contact us in order to start a project, or at least to know what is a project and go and have a better understanding how we can cooperate. Thank you for listening to this webcast.